In this video, I'm going to show you how to start YouTube TV on your Samsung TV, whether you're setting it up for the first time or just trying to find it again after switching apps. It's a quick and easy process that gets you streaming live TV in no time. First, grab your Samsung TV remote and press the Home button to open the main menu. Scroll through the apps until you find YouTube TV. It might be under the Live section or mixed in with your other apps. If you don't see it right away, go to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in YouTube TV. Once you find the app, click to install it if needed. Most newer Samsung TVs come with it pre-installed. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account. If you already have a YouTube TV subscription, you'll get full access to all your channels, recordings, and personalized recommendations. If you're not subscribed yet, you'll see an option to start a trial or sign up. Just follow the on-screen steps. And if you ever want to cast YouTube TV from your phone to your Samsung TV, just open the app on your mobile device, tap the cast icon, and select your TV from the list. Thanks for watching. If this helped you get YouTube TV up and running on your Samsung TV, drop a comment below and let me know what channel you watched first. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart TV tips. See you next time.